Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a 3D printed Stormtrooper helmet, part 1. Okay, so for the next step of the helmet, once you got all the support taken off, you want to filler prime. I already got one coat on. You want to filler prime, sand, filler prime, sand. Repeat this process until there's no lines, 3D print lines right here. Once you do that, you won't even know it was 3D printed. It'll look really cool. For areas like the top or this area, you're going to want to use a sander. It'll definitely speed up the process. For areas like the bottom, or right here, you're going to want to use a Dremel. If you don't have a Dremel, you can just use regular sandpaper. And for areas you really can't get into, like the lines, you just want to fold up a piece of sandpaper like this and just manually do it. If you were wondering where I got my file from, I got it from do3d.com. This is where I get most of my files for my helmets. And I also used PTG filament, which is supposed to be stronger than PLA. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Part 2 will be out soon. Please like, please subscribe.